What is going on? What's up, Econ? No idea how many people are going to come in here, but we're going to wait a minute and see if people show up. Wait and see. But how you doing, my man? Yeah, well, I streamed earlier for about an hour and a half, and no one showed up pretty much. No one cares. We're bearish right now. So I have no idea how long we're going to stream. We'll see. What's up, monkey? FET update. Why are we on economy? FET. Wow, FET did come down. Still made a slightly higher low. So I'm still bullish on it. I mean, the FET chart looks still really good to me. Just the double bottom here, one extra pullback, and then hopefully that's the case. As long as we don't break down like some of these other coins. I mean, just keep it simple. You're over the 111 here, 786 on FET. And you pretty much got stuck at the 618. You're sitting on the 382 right now. So short term over 130, you are bullish here off of that wick. And like I already said, holding structure. Pretty much at the... Yeah, it looks good here. I mean, if it doesn't go lower than this, then could be a good buying opportunity. Or was a buying opportunity. What's up, CD? Welcome back. Junior V, how's it going? It's gonna go back up. Kush, how's it going? He says, can you look at deep? What is deep? You think one ETH will make me rich? Probably not. One ETH. Depends on your version of rich. ETH may hit 10,000 maybe. All the way up here. May go higher. ETH looks good. The chart here looks good on ETH. It's holding support, holding the trend. Just needs to start running already, but not yet. And what is deep? I don't think we've ever looked at that. Deep book. Is that what you're talking about? Let me get that off of the screen. Yeah, it looks like she broke over the previous high and it's been holding. Wicked all the way down to 786 and then held, and now you're coming back down again. So as long as you're over 9.6, the price to beat on deep is of course the 1272 at 12.89 there. 11.5% move to get through that first resistance area. And then no idea where this one's running to. It's probably the second time it's ever been asked for. Yeah, you can see the previous high, low to the high, you're over the 236, so you're technically bullish here. As long as you're over the previous high, you're bullish. And then apparently we haven't looked at it since all the way down there. Where's this thing running to? What are you at? 11 pennies. I guess top of the fib, $3. No idea what deep book is, if this is the right one, but you're looking at a 25 to 26x to pretty much $3. Not a bad looking chart. It came out, went to the moon, and it's just been bullish ever since. The whole chart is curled up. It looks good. Yeah, but it's just like earlier. We only have 12 people in here. We had 13, I think, earlier. Let's see. What was it? DIA? Yeah, DIA we looked at earlier. Oh no, it was AIT. AIT and Myro were breaking down pretty bad. Oh man, this thing came all the way down. Final 786 support, break the trend. So what do you guys think? This the bottom? Are we going down for another couple of weeks? Can you imagine? Yeah, I keep going over to the Myro chart because I'm interested in to see what Myro is going to do. Yeah, Myro hit the bottom. This bottom from back here, that volume area. Damn, I can't believe Myro broke down like that. It's a coin on SUI. Okay. What's up, MoF? What's up, Decrypto? How you doing? What's up, Holla? What is that? Holla Moon Boys? What's up, my man? Yeah, I think we're pretty much Moon Boys on this channel because we're bearish as all can be right now. But we're still bullish on a lot of charts. Like looking at the Myro chart. Like, hey, she broke down, she broke the uptrend, but hey, she hit a low, she's bouncing, she's going to the moon. She looks good here. Everyone pile into Myro. What is my little coin doing? Degen. Disappointing Degen. She's still over a penny. So I still have hope. Pretty much just going to ramble again because there's nothing to really look at or talk about. We don't know what's going to happen in the market. We're either bottoming out or going to zero. Then, what was that one? Did open go up after I sold? Oh, man. I dodged a bullet. I sold before it broke this pattern. PNG still holding up nicely here. What do we got? What's up, Muffin Man? He said, what's happening, Jack? Just call me what everyone else does, Undead. We've played the guessing game before when there's a lot of people in here. Guess my name. If you guys guess it, I'll tell you, but so far no one's guessed it. CD, he likes the music today. Yeah, different. I did a different song today. Switch it up a little bit from the other music we always listen to. Carlo, a base coin I have is pumping again. Carlo on base. What's up, Altcoin Academy? PNG's holding up. Nothing on Degen really. As long as we're over a penny, we're technically alive here. You can see where we pull the trend to, on what time frame, what have you. Penny could potentially be the bottom. We're holding a macro structure. We're not as bullish as we once were in the pattern back here. We're down below the 0.5, so need to get back over 1.2, but as long as we're over a penny, like I said, we got hope. Yeah, I just want my Degen back to pump already. It's getting a little tiresome. Arrowbud is coming up again too. Yeah, I just looked at Arrowbud. Muffin says Fox. Alright, let's go. He says he missed my entry around 0.79. Another leg down. There we go. I like seeing the hang kills. Dang it, Bobby. Dang it, Boomhauer. Arrowbud. Let's look at Fox real quick since we're on this chart. What is Fox doing? I mean, like I keep saying, there's nothing to talk about because everything looks exactly the same. Yeah, Fox is still sitting here, holding right on the 1.6 or right on the 618 rather. From just a very small, low, high 618 retracement at 6.6. But as we keep saying on everything, overall, higher highs, higher lows, holding structure still. So we're either gonna break down or we're gonna bounce out of here. And then bullish once you get back over 8.7. Then Fox, 2 billion market cap, 350 is going to get you a 52x. Maybe if you're lucky. I don't know. You said PNG minimum $5. Oh yeah, $5, 1 billion market cap, 13x. But PNG is holding up very well here. Not only are you holding above and back testing and holding above 30, if we go low to the high here, you're sitting right on the 236. If I can get this thing to work right. But if I go low, high, right to the top of that wick, we're sitting right on that 3.6 level. All right, what'd you say? What's up, Brohim? Welcome back. Yeah, PNG is going to perform well, and it's holding up well. You're holding 30 mil casino coin. Casino coin. All right, let me go run over. We need to look at Arrowbud and Carlo on base. Arrowbud and Carlo on base real quick. Yeah, Ski's starting to break down. It lost the support here. If a mid's in the house, I know I saw you on the end of the live stream earlier. You asked for Ski, but we were ending already. But Ski, looks like you're coming down to 13. As long as you're below 2.5, that is the wrong tool. Where we at? Where we at? So you could drop 40% easily from here. But hopefully you're here watching in the shadows. But yeah, you're sitting on a 236 low to the high. So any lower than 17.4, then you will drop all the way down. Price to beat is 2.5. And then I just looked at Arrowbud off stream. Where did it go? Arrowbud. Come on. Oh yeah, she's starting to push up again. Maybe it plays the meme coins. Because all these other coins ain't doing anything but dying. Yeah, you dipped below, but you ultimately held the 1618 at 0.29, pretty much 3 pennies, and you're starting to pump at the moment. Arrowbud, and he said Carlo on base. Yeah, you're getting stuck right at the 382 right now, so you need to get over 368 to be bullish. Well, I guess you're an hour above it. You're at 3.7. Let me zoom in. Oh yeah, you're sitting right on it with a new candle. So you're bullish over 368 here to push up higher. Or 366 there, I fixed it. But Arrowbud is short-term bullish. He's starting to move a little bit. I think you said Carlo on base. Carlo. Was that a fat cat? Nah, we haven't looked at this one before. What is this? Carlo on base is moving. Oh yeah, this thing had a decent pump. Did you buy the bottom on this one? Yeah, this thing came low high, got stuck right at the 786 at 0085. 7 million market cap, almost 95,000 holders. Did just get stuck, but that's a good looking wick, so maybe it continues. So keep it simple on Carlo on base. But after a move like that, hopefully you took profit. Yeah, you can see the 618, 236 in the same spot. So as long as you're over 4.2, you're still bullish. And then once you break over 8.5 on Carlo, we'll leave this here to spawn in another giant green candle overnight. A 9.5x up to 6 pennies. Not bad. Degen to 50. Fat dog that looks like a cat. Alright, good. Does the market bleed over? Or will the market bleed more? I have no idea. I actually watched a Ben Cohen video earlier while I was driving. And pretty much bearish for the rest of the year till January. What's up, Big Willie? Welcome back, man. Good to see you. Big Willie's in the house. CSC. What is CSC doing? Is it worth holding? I don't know. Have you seen anyone else anywhere talk about Casino Coin besides this channel? The only reason I covered it is because someone brought it up, a long time ago. You got stuck at the trend again. You're back down. You're below the 382 at 3022, coming up on the 1.4 area. So let's see here. Yeah, just like we looked at earlier on the stream. Excuse me. A lot of things are breaking down. They're below 382, so they're no longer bullish. They're like sitting above the 0.5, so 17.8 here's your price. But if we keep bleeding out here, then you can easily drop down 618 retracement for a bounce. Not perfect. 618, 236 for about a 22% drop. As long as you're below 2.1. Because a lot of times when you break to 382, either up or down, it'll end up coming 618. If you don't bounce at the 618 or get rejected at the 618, it'll continue in that direction. But as for if you're going to hold or not, I don't know what to tell you. Not financial advice. I would just say, are people going to buy Casino Coin? Casino Coin. Something more money. Dennis, welcome back. He says, can you take a look at Arrow? Yeah, Arrow dropped down too. Overall, it's holding structure. Everything's pretty much holding structure still, as you can see. And then just looking at it here, you can clearly see it's on the 786 support on the weekly. But when you go down to the 3-day, oh, we're back above it. So as long as you're above 162, 163 here, you're in good shape. But we pointed this out earlier. As long as the structure is holding, you get the idea. Can't draw. You're making higher lows. So overall, not as bullish as we want to be, but it is still bullish on Arrow. So until we break down like Myro and we just completely fall off the table, then not too much to worry about. Not financial advice. I got to keep saying that, but you know, I say buy the dip, but there's no telling what the market has in store. If we're bearish for the rest of December for the next couple of weeks, then you know we could break down a little bit before we go up. But that's the risk you got to take. High risk, high reward, I guess. Because we are almost in the year of the bull market, so 2025 is going to be so bullish. But yeah, Arrow, I mean, if we hold up right where we are now, right about the 786, $20 on Arrow, 16 billion market cap, 14x. And then if you think it's going to hit $40, which I know a lot of people call for these prices, or they used to, at $42, 30 billion market cap, and a 26x on Arrow. But yeah, the overall chart, if you just look at it here, it's just coiled up. It looks good. Once we flip bullish, he's going to start moving. He says he had it since under a mil. Okay. Muffin says, I'm going to guess your name, Chris or Charles. Nope. Prediction for NCT. Yeah, Polyswarm had a huge candle wick form. But overall holding up, as you can clearly see here. Still over the 3.2, so we'll just keep it that simple. Stuck at the trend. The price to beat is the 0.5 at 3 pennies. You'll get back over the trend, back over the 0.5, and then we can finally move up that point. But it's holding up well with the market, the state it's in, which we've been seeing a lot. A lot of things we cover on the channel here have been holding up very good. You know, besides a couple like Myro and AIT, I believe it was. Polyswarm, I like Polyswarm here. If I had Polyswarm and it came up to the new high 1272 at 46 for this market cap, 867 million, under a billion for a 17x, I'm out at that point. No guarantee it's going to hit that, but we can hope. Maybe you get a 10x and you do 25 cents. I think if I got a 10x on anything, I'm out, and then I'm going to rotate into something that hasn't ran. Because not everything's going to run at once. Dennis says, feels like big institution money is sitting on the sidelines beside his BTC until Trump announces changes to the SEC and how they'll deal with crypto. Yeah, I can see that. As long as we'll stop being so bearish right now, let's just stabilize. Let's just hold where we are. We can go sideways for another month, another couple of weeks, and then let's see what the new administration brings to the game, brings to the table. I don't know what you guys think, but I think 2025 is going to be so bullish. That's why I'm trying to get back in the market before things start moving. Which some are, I mean, we're already moving, but we're not really moving yet. Yeah, what was the other one? But yeah, AOS and PNG are holding up like champs. Where's AOS? See AOS here holding over the 236 after the move up. Besides the wick, you got a little bull flag forming. Same thing with PNG, I think. So all we got to do is someone just go over there and turn the switch on. Let's go back to being a little bit bullish, get another leg up. But yeah, AIT protocol here, just like Myro, broke the trend and just broke down. Can't believe that. And we have a lot of things. We also went over this earlier in the earlier live stream, like AI tech here. There's a lot of things holding the trend and a lot of things coming back down to that level, and we're already starting to see a move back up. So AI tech got a bounce above the 618. So the 0.5 macro 382 to confirm the bottoms back in is next. As long as you're over 9.2, 10 is the price to beat here. But depending on how you draw this, you know, it's never going to be perfect. Oh, there we go. Came back down to the trend and bounced. Yeah, I agree. Just don't want to break down anymore. We want to just consolidate, hold, and just wait for 2025 to roll in. BitGert. Haven't looked at this in ages. BitGert. What's another coin that we haven't looked at in a minute? Shipping. Shipping still over the 382, but down below the trend, it looks like. How's Velo holding up? Velodrome still holding up pretty nice there. But this is the Velo I'm talking about. Oh, we just lost the 382 support. But yeah, this chart right here looks very good still. Get bought back over with the 382, but just the coil up, the trend, the higher high, it just looks like double bottom high or low off of the trend. It looks like Ethereum, but it looks like it just wants to go vertical. Oh, Vara. Vara needs to hold the 618 at 2-1. You're hoping for a bigger pullback. We'll see what happens, but I mean, I'm not even in the market yet, so if it pulls back, it pulls back. I just don't want you guys to lose money. I really want to hold up on these because, I mean, like I've been saying, we're on the bottom for everything. Things go much lower, then we're just gonna just completely break down, break structure, and then everything's just gonna go back to where it was 4 or 5 months ago. And things like Vara is gonna completely die. Yeah, see, Viot broke the pattern, hit the support, or hit the resistance, and she's all the way back down here in this area again. Viot could be a good opportunity right here. Yeah, what are some other ones we cover? You said math. GFI, math, Fox. Oh Oh yeah, Mavia. What is Mavia doing? Yeah, math is below the 382 once again. So no longer bullish on the macro, below 2.8. And you're right below the 618. So as long as you're below 2.8 down to 2.6, you could very well come back to 2.0. Drop 23%, but then you would still hold the macro structure, not short term, but macro. But math is another one, got stuck at the trend and just kind of dying at the moment. Where's math going? Just under $1 billion to $5 for a 19x. Oh man. Maybe it made a new low. Alright, so AIT, Mavia, and Myro. All the ones breaking down. Yeah, this thing just made a new low. That's unfortunate. So there's no telling how low this thing can go. Macro 175 is the price to beat now. And then yeah, there's really nothing to do on it because we can't even draw anything. We could draw this, and as long as you're below this high or this low back here, you could drop all the way down to 80. So if we stay bearish here, yeah, that's what we talked about last night, another 20, 30, 40% drop on everything. You could drop another 30% down to 80 on Mavia if it wants to, just due to the fact that it just made a lower low. But we've seen it on a couple things now, so maybe it's the bottom. Myro just did the same thing, so we'll see if we can get back over resistance levels. What's up, Prop? What's up, Anwar? You think ICP will push up into $11 this week? What's up, Jacob? He says Digit is smoked, or smoked one. Yeah, as long as we're above a penny, I think we're still good on DGen. ICP to push to $11 this week. ICP, like I said, I keep saying it's going to depend on the market here. We've been dying for days now. Oh, you mean back up to 11, huh? Well, you're right on the 382 at 1070. You're just below it, but you do have a wick forming. If you can hold above 1070, you would stay bullish here, and then that would push you back up. So that's your price to watch. But if you cannot hold that, then you're going down. Other than that, you'd have to go down to the small, tiny time frames. Four-hour time. Yeah, you can see here, high to the low, you're stuck right at the 382. 1060. If you can get through 1060, then it will send you up to 11. But that's not a bad recovery off of that bottom in this move. It just has to push through 1060. You're at 1057. And then it could potentially hit 11. Would be the next stop up if you break above that. And then Bitcoin, I mean, we really don't TA Bitcoin. We just kind of mess around with it. As you can see here, From this low to the high at 108.5, it does put in play 90K. Is it going to come back down to 90K? No idea. If we go from this recent pullback to the high, you're sitting right on the 236 at 968. We're at 97, so any lower than 968, technically 382 is back in play at 90. The double fib there. So 96.839 is potentially a price to watch. Called it last night on DJ. Oh, that was you, huh? Yeah. Move. What is move? Base turbo. Move and CRV. So everyone here, please hit the like button and vote on the poll. No idea how long the stream's gonna last. No one's here. I don't know what that is. CRV. CRV is one of the other ones that was in the bullish pattern. Now we have to erase it. So CRV, you're above the 382. As long as you're above 73, the price to beat is back over 113. We've done nothing forever. We had a nice little pump up, but you are technically bullish over that. And then we came down from the last time we looked at it, which wasn't too long ago. And then if we go from the low to the high, yeah, the candle sitting right on the 236 here at 8.2 with the wick. So as long as you hold 8.2, you're bullish, even down to macro bullish 7.3, and even down to 6.1, 6.2, you would still be bullish. But right now you're sitting on support at 8.29, pretty much 8.3. If you hold that, then you have a chance at pushing back through 113 here, and then break out over 174, 175, and then CRV. New high on this one, 24 billion market cap for about a 23. Let me pull this down. Yeah, about a 23x to $19. But there's no telling. You could make a slightly higher high. You know, maybe you hit $10 and you do a 12x. Move. BTC runs back to all-time high, then comes back and knocks down everyone and put the stop losses under 90K. Could very well be. Move. What are we on? Crypt. Yeah, I don't know what move is. We don't have a chart for move. Never looked at it before. We'll just do a quick look at it. This thing's just going to the moon. If this is it, really nothing we can do with this. Just came out, formed a bowl, and then just went. Or going. It's above the 618. So as long as you're above $1.18 is the price to beat. But it is bullish right now, and then once you get through 118 and then 142, new high is another 68% move to about 180. Yeah, I didn't even think to look at Carrot today. How's Carrot holding up? What is Carrot doing? Pretty much came down and hit the 618 and bounced. Down below the 3, how many? Oh yeah, down below the macro 3.2. It hit the 236, hit the 618, and it's trying to bounce here on these 3-day candles. So as long as you're above 37 to 38, 43 is the price to beat. Bullish back over 47 to 50. But yet another one that came in that could very well have been the bottom for it with the wick former. So we're either going to bounce here and move up, or we're about to die again. Needs to get back over 47 and then up to 50 to be bullish again. Carrot is going to 360, 8.5x. And then if you think you can hit $1 billion market cap, 1050, and 24.5, 25x on Carrot here. What's up, Samurai Style? How you doing? XCN for an update. Yeah, I did XCN today on the channel. I believe I did. I don't know. Who knows? Or I was about to. Yeah, I'm still going to go look at base turbo. Yeah, XCN's back down below the 236. Of course, macro bottom not confirmed in anymore. But we'll see where we're sitting here. Probably just like everything else above the 0.5. Oh, this one's sitting on the 3 too. So as long as you're over 2.1, you're bullish again. That'll help you push through, back through the double 236 here. So 2.1's your support. Any lower than that, then you will end up dropping all the way back down. 618 potentially. 27-28% drop here. But overall, I mean, you're down below the 236. Had a nice little run, but ultimately we're still, down here. Perfect buying opportunities, I would say. XCN's got a lot of opportunities. A penny, 2 pennies is a 10x. 5.5 pennies is a 27x to a 2 billion market cap almost. And then moonshot on this thing. I mean, if you just had $100 on XCN and you want to moonshot it, 88 cents, 417.5x. But yeah, DGen, we did DGen already. What's up, Ahmed? And I did your other one earlier too. Ski. Yeah, it seems to be FOMC just killed us. Yeah, DGen held over a penny. Jacob there called it. And we're holding up here. I actually got back into DGen with my little peanut bag down here somewhere. Because he was convinced, and he convinced me that the penny was going to hold. And I was like, screw it, I'm just going to get back into DGen and hold. See if my little $55, $60 bag can pump and do something. But yeah, DGen, once you get back over 1.2 here, it hit a penny, didn't quite hit the 382, but you can clearly see it doesn't always have to go by the fibs, but all this resistance here, support area, and now it's time to go up. So once you get back over 1.2, 179 is the next price to beat, a 53% move up from where you are right now. And then we'll just kind of take it from there. But as I keep saying, as long as it's over a penny, we should be good. Alright. And then we looked at Carlo on base. Getting stuck but pumped already. And then just because mid is here and he asked for ski, so we don't have to cover it again. Ski is down below the support we looked at last time at 2.5, so it looks like it's coming down to 13 here. But if we take it a step further, it is sitting, if we go from the low here to the high, if I can get this to work, we are sitting right above the 236 at 17.5. So as long as you hold that, you're good. If not, you break that and you go lower than that, then you will end up coming down to the next support level, which is that 1272 at about 13. And you'll drop about 40, 41, 42%. I should have it on here. We just looked at base turbo. Turbo with the helmet. What did we do? What is this? Why did it go to based coin? But yeah, we looked at this base turbo on the earlier live stream. Could potentially be a very good play. We could pull it to here and say you need to get over 3018. Or if we pull it up to here, you can clearly see off of that wick, the bottom is being put in here. So if it holds over 7.5, 2.0 is the price to beat, and then bottom is in, bullish over 3.3. But if we pull it down properly to the wick, 1.8 is the price to beat, and 3 is the price to be bullish. And then you can see on this thing, it's only at an 84, which has gone up. It was at a 74, I think, earlier. 74K market cap, 14,000 and a half holders. This one's going to run to a new high. It's a 47X on base turbo. Be a good play to put $100 in on. 786 retracements at 12.5. 12.5, 13X. But yeah, where is it? I went and looked at Sol Ordi again. Sol Ordi's making a new low. Sol Ordi just broke the previous low. So is this thing coming all the way back down here? Maybe I'll get in on Sol Ordi if it comes all the way back down here. What is that, 406? Man, I can't believe this thing's still dying. At least they're not shutting down the government. Yeah. That's a positive. What's up, Shadow? How you doing? Did you guys vote? Alright, 73% say no, we're not bearish for the rest of the year. Got only 16 people in here. Yeah, from what we see, everything seems to be putting in another bottom again. It seems like we're always saying that, though. Oh, here's the bottom again. Here's the bottom again. And then we get a slight pump, and then we go lower. But everyone, please hit the like button, because the streams and the channel's taking a hit right now. There's just no one here. There's no super chats flowing in. There's no one watching the videos. No one at the live streams. So at least hit the like button for me. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll just be happy if DJ pumps already. Just one positive for me, please. Just come up to the 786 for me and hit 3-1. Give me almost a 3x, and then I'll take it from there. What's another coin that just dies all the time? Blocktopia. What is Blocktopia doing? Still nothing great. Deso, is it? What's that other one? What's the social media one? Is it Deso? Yeah. Where'd our chart go for this one? That's another one that always dies. Dog is holding up. Dog's another one. Holding the trend pretty much, depending on where you want to draw this thing at. Jeez. Alright, let me go back to the chat. What did I miss? What's up, RH? I don't know if I said that. How you doing? Yeah, I got my little peanut bag in DGen, DZ. I took it out of the open. I don't know if you've been here for the other live stream. Well, you have, but I sold my DGen after it dumped so it would pump for you guys. I was like, screw it. I'm going to buy open. Still haven't got paid yet, so I can't really buy anything. And then open died, but I sold here before it broke down. Put my money back into DGen, my 60 bucks. But yeah, I got a little baby $60 bag of DGen at a penny. If I could ever get paid, I'd probably put more in it, or more in something. It's got to be something that's a good play. Which there's a lot, but yeah. Crow with knife getting stuck. Crypto John has been talking about DGen recently, really? What's up, Alex? Yeah, DZ, I think you're the first person to ever tag me on the chat. From what I've seen. Yeah, DGen took a big hit, but it held a penny. Wait, what did you say? Can you look at PRQ? It seems prime. Is there a chart for RBC? PRQ and RBC. Let me do PRQ really quick because I know we just looked at that earlier. Curled up, going to the moon. Beautiful double bottom pattern, higher low. Getting stuck right at the 382. So 20 is the price to be bullish on the macro. As long as you stay over 11, the bottom is confirmed in. And as long as you stay over, it looks like about 15. Let me pull this down just a little bit. Yeah, 15, you're still bullish here. You can see you got above it held and now you're moving. So 15, 2, and then 20 is the price to beat. And then if we do it one step further, high to the low, let's see if you're either stuck or right above the 786 here. 18.9. Yeah, it looks like you're getting stuck at the 786 and the wick there. So just watch that support level, and then if you can push through 19.8 up to 20, then you're good to go. And then PRQ, where's PRQ going? 786 retracement, 5.5, over 5.5x to a dollar. 332 million market cap. And then if you think it's going to hit a new high, 2.5 billion market cap, $8. 42 to 43x. What did you say? RBC, where was that? Is there a chart for RBC? What is that? Let's see. I guess we do have a chart. What is RBC? Yeah, another coin got stuck right at the 3-2, large wick, and just coming down. So as long as you're below 4, not bullish on the macro, and then where are we at? Sitting right on the 0.5. Like I keep saying, we're seeing a lot of that. There's a lot of 0.5 support right now. Already hit the 618, 236 area. So if you can hold over 2.9, break back over the double 382 and get back over 4, then you're back to being bullish here. Jeez. But yet again, I keep zooming out to these monthly charts on these coins, and you can clearly see just the overall macro chart. Just made a higher high off of that wick, so that's bullish. But you just look up the overall macro chart. Double bottom and higher lows. We're about to blast off into a bull market. PNG was looking good yesterday morning until Bitcoin pulled back even more. It still looks good. I'm still riding out DGen. Has taken me on a journey. You ran out of money buying these pullbacks. Well, hopefully these are just pullbacks and we hold. What did I look at? But yeah, we've looked at PNG a couple of times. PNG, AOS, ABT, they're all holding up very well. PNG. Oh, come on. Yeah, it dipped down below again, but ultimately, for a month, it's still holding the 236. Looks extremely well. How long have we been on here? Oh, we hit an hour already. Let's see how many votes we got. We got 40 votes. What'd you say? DGen had a 70% pullback from the recent high. Yeah. But that's what we keep seeing. That's why I keep telling you guys to make sure you take profit. Because just looking at overall macro everything, when you pump, take profit, and it comes back down. But you're still holding macro structure. Same thing happened with what? What was it? It was SPA. Well, a whole bunch of coins did the same thing. But SPA had that massive run. off of that bottom formation. Oh, SPA's, it's below the 382, but you just got to take profit on these things. That's my game plan anyway. Yeah, SPA, depending on where you bought in, 5.5x, whatever. And then if you didn't sell at the 0.5 or above, yeah, SPA's down 69%. But that's how volatile it is here. You guys know this. SUI, how many SUI charts do we have? Oh, that's pseudo swap. I forgot about SPS. Splinter shards. Jeez, chart just keeps going to 0. What was I going to look at? Now I can't remember. Yeah, I guess we just got to wait and see what tomorrow holds, because maybe we'll be bullish tomorrow now that they're trying to fix everything. Oh, Tectum took a big hit. Turbo's still holding. Wick down to our support level, it looks like, and she's holding 1272 at 87, so that's good to see. Holding support here. What's up, Richard? Econ says I need to learn to take profit and buy back on the dip. Alright, what else we want to look at before we end up ending the live stream? This is the second one of the day, so everyone here, don't forget to hit the like button, spam the hearts. Let's get something going here. It's been a week of bearishness. No one at the live streams. I keep saying this, but I just want you guys to hit the like button. I forgot about threshold. Scroll through the chart here, see what we forgot about. Yeah, same thing here with Velodrome. And if you didn't take profit on Velodrome, then I don't know how to help you. Velo had a nice run. Regular Velo, not regular Velo, but Velo's gonna have a decent run too. This thing looks so bullish. VRA, yeah. Damn, I forgot about Win. Wind broke structure. Dang, she came down. Pulling a Myro. Oh, this thing came right down. Oh, everyone pile in to win. She came down and she held the 786 final support. Yeah, hit this area here. So if win stays over 408, could very well be the bottom. Man, I gotta get a drink. It's a bear market. He says Orca. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta get a drink. This cough is just not going away. All right, I'm back. Had to get a drink. Orca. Yeah, but win here. Win potentially just put the bottom in. What'd you say, Myro? Yeah, Myro just put in a new low, so Orca and Bonk. What is Orca doing? Zoom back out. Orca. Yeah, Orca got stuck at the trend. Lost the 618. It's still holding structure here, so as long as we're holding this. As long as you're holding that, you're still good. And then, man, I don't know what it is right now. Every time I talk, I just need a cough. I've been coughing for a month now. It's so bearish. Let's see. 0.5 pretty much needs to hold here at 365. Any lower than 365 on Orca, 0.5 618 comes into play, which it could very well come into play because a lot of things low high. And a strong move up or down, 618s come into play a lot. So you can see about another 23% drop, 288 if you fall lower than you are now. Need to get back over 618 here at 464 and then ultimately over the trend here, which if we draw another one, we're on Orca. If we go from the high to the low, yeah, 786. Once you get back over $6, you'll break back over the trend and be back over that level. And then Orca, new high, $68, 3.5 billion market cap, 17.5x. Last time I looked at Bonk, she was dying. Oh wow, Bonk came down perfectly to our support. And she bounced. That's always nice to see. Came back, hit our support level. What is that? 2.5. Got a nice bounce. Price to get back over is 4.0. So things aren't looking too bad at the moment. Then Bonk, 10x to a 27 billion market cap. Yeah, I don't see why this would not get hit. I mean, just looking at the overall chart, as hard as this thing runs when it does run. Another 10x out of Bonk here. Gari network. I think we looked at Gari recently. Gari's an old one. Man, that thing died here. Gari network, high to the low. I say we looked at it recently, but it doesn't seem like it. But if it is the bottom, double bottom, and she's trying to move up, you have to get over 2.1 to confirm macro bottom is in. Short term, low to the high, you can see you're sitting above the 618, right below the 0.5. So as long as you're above 1, that could very well be it. And then the other thing is, off with a strong move up, you could have a bull flag pattern here. Not guaranteed, but those are your prices to watch. And then Gari Network. Oh, not a bad move. 618 retracement and a bull market coming up. 15x to 100 million market cap to 17.5. Gari Network could be a good play. Just get out of everything when it hits the 618 and just sell. Roll into something else that hasn't moved. 618 retracement, sell. 786 retracement is 37.5, almost a 38x to about 45. But maybe that's the play. Maybe that's how you do it. Oh, FTX rugged them. Okay. What's up, Slava? Where you been, my man? We're on the second stream of the day and you haven't been here. Harlem, where the heck is he at? Yeah, I had to go get a drink. Oscar, welcome back. LCX. Yeah, FitFi. Does anyone even use that? Do any of you guys use the Step app? LCX for the win. She's still trying to hold the 236 at 27, which is a strong support area. Because if you guys remember from all the times we've covered LCX, we always had a green line right here, a support line. So if you can hold the 236, you're still bullish here, even down to 21, 20. But decent run up and then a pullback. But that's kind of what we've been talking about. After we turned bullish again on LCX and we said the bottom was in, we did high to the low to the high, 618 retracement, 382. You stayed bullish. She was about to pump. She did pump. And then what's but then once you got up here to the 786 and started to break a little above it, that's where I would have sold. LCX, where's LCX going? 480, 4.5 billion market cap to a 17x. Very conservative, 1.2 billion market cap, 160 from where you are. 5.5, over a 5.5x on LCX. But yeah, if you can hold 2.7 here, you're holding good. Which LCX, PNG, AOS, ABT, all of these coins are holding up over the 236s right now. With the way the market's going, they're getting bought back up and they're holding. And ABT here, I don't know when I asked for it, but ABT is still in the bottom formation that we looked at on pretty much everything. And then everything pumped real good. So as long as ABT holds market structure, I'm very bullish on this here. If I could buy ABT, I would right now. She's about to get a little pumpity pump. Just because we've been looking at this pattern so long and everything's at minimum 80-85% move to 3. If it holds up here. Yep. Sitting pretty over the 382 at 160. the average to buckled up to. I don't know what you mean. What's up, Block Monster? Welcome back. Yeah, you guys like the music? Second one that said the music's better. What's the step app? Slava says he's been drinking and chilling. I was told to pass special drone school. I was flying all day to fill joystick. Really? I'm in the special educational process. Okay. You said you want to check out their project website or Twitter. You talking about Gari Network? I appreciate that, Oscar. Blessings to you and your family too, my man. God bless you, my man. What's up, Faith and Family Outdoors? Starts on Arkham. Arkham, I think, is going to 0. Oh, come on. I know we have a better chart than this, don't we? This one, Arkham Intelligence. Well, that's ARC. No one cares about ARC. High, low, you're still above the 3-2, below the 0.5. Yeah, it looks like you just broke the trend. This thing just broke down. Just chasing after Myro. But as long as you're below the 0.5, 143 is your support. If you stay above that, you're macro bullish on Arkham here. And then if we go here, yeah, you're just above the 0.5, like we've been saying a lot of things. So 142, 166 is your price to beat. But it's just copying the rest of the market. It broke the trend, so it doesn't look the greatest right now. Large red candle spawning in on the weekly. If this thing hits a new high and hits a 3 billion market cap, 630, 4x. And what's the other target we have? And then 2272. We're gonna have to fix the chart for Arkham here because this is just not correct. Possible 16.5 billion market cap, 21x to 33. But right now, you just need to watch those levels down here at the bottom. Flying that thing anywhere. That must be a good job, huh? Just flying drones all day. Just gonna warn you, brother, the whole thing might collapse soon, as I said. Yeah. I mean, we're on the fence. We don't know what's gonna happen right now. We'll see what happens. AI will soar this cycle. Yeah, I think so too. You missed the stream. Yeah, it was only an hour and a half earlier. But second one in a day. Gotta be worth something, I guess. Just there's no one here anymore. We're bearish. No one here. No super chats at all. It's just so bearish right now. Look at Turbo. Yeah, we looked at Turbo. I'll do it again. Aether, hold good compared to other coins. Yeah, but Turbo, we just looked at it. Turbo hit our support level we've had on the chart for ages, and she's holding nice right over perfectly 1272 at 87. But it's holding up in what we're going through here. As long as you're holding that, 1.5 is the price to beat still. Came down and hit this level. It's been holding for a very long time. Looks good. Yeah, like I said, a lot of these coins are holding up strong. Some are breaking down and some are holding strong. Still above the 382. Price to beat is 7. But yeah, this one's holding up good. Still holding structure, higher lows, as you can see, still curled up overall. And of course, the double bottom with the higher low, it pumped. So this one's still holding good. You can see the chart here, it's never really done anything. $3 billion market cap to 72.73 is going to give you a 9.5x on this thing. Once it wakes up. Is this an AI coin? What's your top AI pick? I don't really have one. I like FET just for the fact that FET combined with the other two AI coins, and they have a very bullish chart. FET seems to be a good one. What's up, Steve? GRT. I told everyone the market topped already. Jeez. You hope Turbo 50x's from where it is now. Oh man. Man, I hope I get my YouTube check this weekend. I gotta get in on something. Well, if Turbo is going to come up here and do like the rest of the other coins, the Bets, the Pepes, the Bonks, everything else, and hit over 20 billion market cap, potential 46x, so 40, 26 billion market cap here. I think so. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? By FET doing that, lost so many investors. Did they really? I still like Fed. The overall chart on Fed is just very bullish. I still feel we pull back more. Solana, ETH, XRP, Link, Doge haven't hit all-time highs. We haven't topped yet. Slava for 5. I appreciate that, my man. First super chat of the day. Slava for the win. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate that. Finally got a super chat. Now we can end the stream. He says Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you, my man. It's actually going to be the worst Christmas of my life. Broke. Yeah, I agree. FET was doing good by itself. not look at? Tron. Yeah, Tron hasn't ran yet, has it? I haven't looked at Tron. Oh man. Yeah, Tron hasn't even ran yet. It's a monthly Tron chart here. I don't remember what this is, but we're gonna move that. But yeah, she had a little nice pump for a new high. But just look at the chart here. Excuse me. Always forget about Tron. TrueFi, no one cares. Yeah, what is Matic doing? That's the one we always forget about. What do you guys think about NFTs? NFTs making a comeback right now, huh? Someone want to buy my piece of crap NFTs? Yeah, it looks like Matic here. Matic's been in a downtrend since last bull run. Why is Matic so bearish? Right on the 236. Needs to get over 6.9. Yeah, is Matic gonna make a run for a new high? That's also where I got a lot of NFTs. Polygon NFTs. All worthless. I appreciate that, Slava. Appreciate the 5. You're doing a good job. Don't give up. No, I'm not giving up. Here every day. This one better hit 10. What are you talking about? Which one? Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, we got flip coins for 10. I appreciate that, my man. Second super chat of the day. I appreciate that. Or this live stream. We got a couple earlier. Matic, another project that decided to make a dumb move. What did Matic do? Yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm not in the loop on what's going on with all these coins. I'm on the chart loop. Polygon Matic to 0. Looked at math already. What is Masked Network? They haven't done anything. Came out, went to 0, and it's been going sideways and curling up a little bit. What's up, Declan Wyatt? He's just smashed the like button. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate the 10 from Flip Coins, the 5 from Slava. There's 2 Matic coins now. Matic coins. Magic. Oh, Matic. What's the other Matic? Is there really? All I ever known of is Polygon Matic. But I believe it. There's so many coins out now, it's ridiculous. The dilution is ridiculous on how many coins are out now. Yeah, how many votes we got on the chat, on the thing? 61 votes. Maybe I should make the poll. Did you hit the like button yet? And then when we get 100 votes on there, there'll be 100 likes. Because there's always more. There's always way more votes on the poll than the like button. Yeah, next time I'm just going to do that. Just going to say, hey, fool, did you hit the like button? Yes or no? You want to get banned? Hit the like button or get out of here. And now, yo, let's check out Carrot, please. Yeah, we looked at Carrot earlier. But we will do it for you. Let's see, Carrot. You're below the 382. You broke the what uptrend you did have. It kind of reminds me of the casino coin chart where this thing happened. This thing quadruple topped and then died. CSC triple topped and died. But Carrot, yeah, broke the trend. Low to the high. You're down below the 0.5 now. You did come all the way down 236618, so that could be it. So that'll tell you if you get back over 4.3 and then 4.7 to be bullish again, and then short-term bullish over 50. But if you can get back over the 0.5 at 4.3 and then 4.7, you're in good shape, especially off of the wick down and the little green candle spawning in here. And then take it a step further with Carrot. It did just make a higher high, so that was a very good positive because it was making lower highs. So if it can get back over these levels and come back up here and not completely die. High to the low right now, you're getting stuck right at the 236. Still confirm this bottom is in. You have to get over 433, and then bullish over 4748. Come on. And then just to zoom it out so we can see. Carrot to a billion market cap is a 24.5, 25x to about 1050. Overall chart has done nothing. So Bullrun, 2025 year of the Bullrun. This thing's going to go to the moon. Conservative price 360, 1618, 477, just under half a billion for a 8.5x. XYO, DHRE. How's it going, my man? Crypto Gambino, Pigu on Sui. Pigu, let's see. He said quad top. Did I say that wrong? Quad top. What is after a triple top? A quad top? Oh man. What am I looking for? Pigu XYO. I looked at XYO for a minute earlier. I thought about doing an update on it, but I didn't. But XYO weekly chart. Let's get that off for a moment. Yeah, you're back below the trend, and you're you're back below the 618. So not a good look at the moment for XYO, but this is another one that ran hard, and hopefully you guys took profit on it. Going from where it is now, as long as you're below 2.2, that puts in play the 0.5 at 1.5 here. If we zoom this thing in, you can see 3-day candle already closed below that. We're getting stuck, so 2.2 is the price to beat at the moment. And then if we simply go from the low to the high, you can see we're right on with these wicks here holding the 382. So as long as you're below 2.4, 1.6 is the price to hold. Any lower than that, you're no longer bullish, and then you're coming down at least to 1.5, and then maybe lower than that. Let me pull that back up. But like I've always said, and I keep saying, a lot of times when you break the 382 retracement to be bullish, the 618 comes into play. So we do have the macro 382, so maybe you can see that's a pretty decent drop, 53%. So we'll just keep it simple. From where you are right now, if you can't get back over 2.2 and you lose 1.6, 30% drop down to 1.5. So if we're still having another 20, 30, 40% drop on things, you know, this could very well play out. But until you get back over that level, especially after the large move and then all these wicks to the upside, looks like the top is in for now on XYO, especially now that you're below the trend. But if it holds up and we start moving back up, let's see, XYO. Conservative target would be 21, almost a 3 billion market cap, 1272 new high, a 10x. I've actually never looked into XYO, not even clicked on their website or their Twitter. I actually did that on XCN today, but I have no idea what XYO is. But I actually did look at XCN for once. I've been bullish on XCN for so long, and I finally looked at them. Pig U on Sui says. Pig U on Sui. Let's see. We got Slava for 5 again. I appreciate that, my man. Let's support this channel, guys. Yeah, either with a super chat or just a like. You know, just hit the like button, share it, subscribe if you're not subscribed. It'll help out a lot, especially in these bearish times. I appreciate that, my man. Slava the drone flyer. Where are you from, my man? I know you've been around here in North Texas, but is that where you stay? Pig U. Let's see here. Yeah, if you're still here, Flip Coins, are you still holding? Are you still holding used car? Car and Billy? I haven't looked at these in a while. Yeah, I forgot. All the charts got deleted. Anyway, used cars dying at the moment. Big U on Sui. Oh, another little fat thing again. What is that? Fat penguin cat? What is that? Because we just looked at that little fat cat dog. Looks like he died eating McDonald's. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad chart-wise. Let's go high to the low on Pigu. Oh yeah, it's getting stuck perfectly at the 236 here. So 339 is the price to beat to confirm the bottom is in. 3 million market cap on SUI here. Bullish over 405. But you got to get over 339 or 34 here to confirm bottom is in. And this one to a new high, all the way up to 302, 6.5x. But just the chart alone, high, low, it's holding. It's starting to curl up here. It looks good. So many good plays out there on Deck Screener. So many good plays. Well, at least the ones you guys pick. I picked crap. Soul already made a new low. All right, how long we been on here? All right, we're coming up on 2 hours, so 2 hours is going to be it. So another 9 minutes, I guess. I appreciate you guys being here. I don't even know what time it is, but I'll be back on tomorrow. More videos tomorrow, more live stream. I think we covered pretty much everything we can today. Like I said, it's the same people are here all the time. I appreciate it though. Appreciate the couple of super chats that came in. I appreciate the support. Let me see. Switch this to live. Yeah, see, I didn't see that until I switched to live. Colorado, okay. Largest deep in. They have a big announcement coming soon before 2025. Dallas in the house for Alex. Yeah, y'all are all in my neighborhood, or you're in my neighborhood. Where I am now. I am just a couple of hours from Dallas now. Yes, Billy and Samo. Blockbuster says Fartcoin. Yeah, I saw Fartcoin was on an article when I went online. I saw Fartcoin a long time ago. Now people are talking about it. It's ridiculous. Not sure what time. Probably in the evening. We'll see. We'll see what happens if I get my YouTube check tomorrow. It's supposed to come this weekend. If it comes tomorrow, then I'll be in better mood. I'll actually be able to buy a coin and, like I said, be in a better mood there. But we'll see what happens. As of right now, I'm sitting here broke as can be. I mean, you guys don't believe me, but man, this has been a rough year, a rough year. And I got so behind on everything, and now I'm just sitting here. That's why I streamed twice today. Nothing else to do. They ain't got no gas to go anywhere. Can't do anything. I drove, a couple miles to the store earlier. But other than that, it's just death. Complete death. Talk about a bearish life at the moment. You said Samo and... Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Yeah, I haven't looked at Samo in a minute. Let's go look at Samo real quick. But yeah, used car didn't look good. What is Billy doing? Yeah, and we lost all the charts for all this deck screener crap. So I'm having to redo everything. Billy doesn't look bad here. This thing's curled up, higher highs and higher lows here. Even though it's not doing anything yet. Just made a higher high, or a higher low rather. Once you get back over 2.9, bottom is in. Oh no. Yeah, you're just below the 786 here at 2.3. So you have to get back over 2.3 and then 2.9. Or did that make an even low? Yeah, if it goes lower than it is, then Billy could be done. I hate to say that, but it really needs to hold up. Samo. Isn't Samo the original Solana dog coin? Yeah, why was that chart not right? Man, this ain't the right Samo chart. What is happening? I hate deck screener. Solana's first meme coin. There we go. Yeah, so Samo is not bullish yet. Still in a clear and a downtrend. Trying to hold the 236 at 8.3. Price to beat is a penny. But yeah, I would imagine Samo, once it breaks the downtrend here, then she's going to be good to go. So, good buying opportunity, I guess. But anyway, Hank says Arrow. Jeez, Arrow. Yeah, Arrow came down, but Arrow's still looking overall good. You picked Simon's Cat and Wise Monkey. Not sure, but Simon's Cat is getting listings. Yeah, a lot of people talk about Simon's Cat. Netherlands here. Netherlands in the house. It's nice over there, ain't it, in the Netherlands? Do you think there's an alt season coming? Yeah, there's an alt season coming, just not yet, but it's coming. There's no stopping it. We're just not there yet. No gas money, welcome to America. Yep. Like I said, I'm feeling it real hard right now. I guess we'll do Arrow and that's it. We're gonna call it for the night. So any last words you guys need to say it to each other or whatever. As we finish the stream out with Arrow. Overall Arrow chart, you can see we're still holding the 786 if you can see that there. A nice wick candle as long as we're over the 162 to 163. The overall Arrow chart is holding up. Even though we're not as bullish as we once were, we dipped. And ultimately we are holding the Very bullish curl up macro structure here. So I'm very bullish on Arrow at this point, even though it took all my money. But Arrow, yeah, as long as we hold over 163, we're good. Price to beat is 238. Next stop up is about 386. Let's pull this down while we'll just grab a new one. But once it turns bullish again, 135% move to the 1272 new high, and then Arrow to $20 to $40 fits the narrative of the influencers. 16 billion market cap, 14x to $22, $23, and then 30 billion market cap, $42 is 26x on Arrow. But you can just see the overall chart. This is very bullish looking. As long as we don't break down and break the 618 at 120 and break structure and break the trend, we're good. But yeah, it looks very good on Arrow. Alright, with that being said, let's see what Bitcoin's up to as we end it. And I appreciate all you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super chats. I appreciate the support. Everything you guys bring to the table here. And just being here, I appreciate it. So dominance is still bullish. We're still holding up on the monthly. No alt season until this breaks down. It's holding up, as you can see. Nice looking wick, so it can still come up. But yeah, there's no alt season yet, but it's coming. We gotta wait till 2025, in my opinion. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys being here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. We'll be here tomorrow, so watch out for it, and I will see you guys then. Peace out, everyone.